Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Pinterest login issues, account, and app errors step by step clearly. First, check your internet connection by opening a website in your browser to confirm it loads normally. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds and turn it off to refresh the network connection. If you are on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. Or if you are on mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi and try again. Close Pinterest completely and reopen it to clear a temporary app glitch. Restart your phone or computer to reset background processes that may block login. Make sure the Pinterest app is updated from the App Store or Google Play to avoid outdated login errors. If you use a browser, update the browser to the latest version for compatibility and security fixes. Check Pinterest server status by searching Pinterest status to confirm it is not a global outage. Verify you are entering the correct email, username, or phone number associated with your Pinterest account. Retype your password carefully and confirm caps lock is off and your keyboard language is correct. Use the Forgot Your Password option and reset your password if you cannot sign in. Open your email inbox and also check spam or junk folders for the Pinterest reset email. If you sign in with Google, Apple, or Facebook, confirm that the same linked account is selected on your device. Try logging in on another device or in an incognito or private window to isolate the issue. Clear the Pinterest app cache in your device settings to remove corrupted temporary files. On iPhone, offload the Pinterest app or delete and reinstall it to refresh all app data. On Android, force stop Pinterest, then clear cache, and if needed, clear storage. Then log in again. In your browser, clear cookies and site data for Pinterest to fix session and token errors. Disable VPN or proxy services temporarily because they can trigger security blocks or region errors. Disable ad blockers or privacy extensions for Pinterest if login pages do not load correctly. Check the date and time settings on your device and set them to automatic for secure login validation. Confirm your account is not locked by checking your email for a security alert or suspicious activity notice. If you see as something went wrong, error, wait a few minutes and try again to avoid rate limit blocks. If you get repeated wrong password messages, stop attempts and reset the password to prevent temporary lockouts. Review your email address for typos and remove extra spaces before and after the text. If two-factor authentication is enabled, make sure you can receive the code and that notifications are allowed. Contact Pinterest support through the Help Center and provide screenshots and the exact error message. After you regain access, update your password and enable stronger security options to prevent future issues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.